Hi, guys. It's Lainey. I want to share a couple of real success stories with you because when I talk about this, I'm not guessing. I'm telling you exactly what I did and exactly what happened. My late fiancé broke up, and I had been out of contact for over a year. No communication at all. Nothing. And there were moments I questioned my ability to influence him. But after using my method for 20 years, I know it works. So I didn't stop. I stayed consistent. And I was very specific. I sent him thoughts like, Lainey, where are you? Or every time you hear this song, you'll think of me. And every woman you look at will remind you of me. You love me and you'll come back. And when we reconnected, he confirmed that he'd received my messages, not vaguely or partially, exactly. He told me he had been walking around his house saying, Lainey, where are you? He had made a playlist and named it Lainey's Playlist, even including songs he didn't really like. And when he dated other women, the only thought he kept having was, she isn't Lainey. Those were the exact thoughts I had been sending, and within a couple of weeks after getting back together, he proposed, and I've seen the same thing happen for other women. A close friend of mine had been with her boyfriend for 5 years. 5 years of asking, pushing, begging, trying to get him to commit, and nothing. He simply refused, so she was ready to walk away, pack her things, and be done. And I said, before you do that, try my method. She agreed, and within 3 months, he proposed, and a few months later they were married. I had a client whose husband had completely left her out of his will, and everything was going to his children. I told her to just give my technique a try because she had nothing to lose. It was about a month later that he changed his will and left her a small fortune, including the house they shared and all of his personal belongings. So when I talk about this, I'm not speaking in theory. I'm showing you a method that works. Thoughts held with intention, showing up as real outcomes. See you in the next video.